Previously I was taking the original skeleton apart and attaching it to the new frame, and I have to sort of get it orientated and sort of locked into shape before the sort of window of opportunity to change the shape closes. So for a short time this reverts to a sort of standard build. So the first stage is to create what I would call a low density cage. So I'm not worried about the tension of the wire. All I'm trying to do is actually create the sort of body and the torso of the fairy in the shape it's going to be with the least amount of wire. So this is about the stage on any fairy where I would add the hands and the feet. I mean, in this particular one, the sort of hands are already sort of created, but I need to add the feet because I can't add any flesh to the calf muscles without the feet being present. Otherwise, you can't sort of attach them properly. Not many of you may know that every fairy that I make, I insert a heart of stone. It's just a pebble. I generally put a little message on it and the date, and then I insert it into the sort of rib cage and then sort of sew it in place with wire so that it doesn't move while I'm adding more wire to it. So it's now just a case of adding more wire and sort of gradually build up the shape. So I'm still at the sort of low density cage stage of it, but I'm starting to get a little bit paranoid that because I'm going to take it apart, that I don't actually want to add any wire to the arms, but I'm just the way that I normally build them. I need to put some of the shoulders in and the muscles around the shoulders, so I can't sort of work it properly. So what I've done is actually put some wires to support the muscles on the arms, but I haven't attached them to the hands yet because I know I'm actually going to cut it off later. The question I'm asking myself now is how far should I take it before I stop? So I'm going to have to cut her off at the wrists, and it's like, shall I keep on adding more wire or shall I wait until I get it back and reassemble it after the frames have been electro polished? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more.